Okay, this here is kind of an evolving project. Just been piddling, building a wood stove with 24-inch pipe casing. I've doing some different things. Got a clean out box down at the bottom. I put the pipes in. The intentions of elbowing all together at some point, doing water flow through them for a heated floor in the big shop when I get it built. But like I said, meantime, I may build me a manifold to hang over back here and just put a fan on it. Blow through them until I get to that point. I'm actually heating the shop pretty good with just the heat coming out of the main living quarters on the apartment side. So there's Junior. He come to check things out. But kind of where we're at on this. Try to get it done, get it out of here, get it out of the way, basically. I'm gonna try to get everything welded up. Okay, my introduction into the world of plasma CNC tables. I built my own table. I bought this thing, I think it was like $1,400. I bought the Miller plasma table torch and all the kit and stuff to convert my 875 Spectrum. I had it to do over. I could have used just a regular handgun on that. I didn't know anything, but the beauty of this piece here is it will accept CAM, G-code, draw up my own stuff on CAD, lay it out on CAM, put it on thumb drive, insert it, and it will cut it out. Here's an example. I just downloaded a DXF file, run it through CAM, laid it on my machine, cuts it right out. It's $1,600 for this piece right here, and you can set it on the floor even. But I built the table. But here's my thing, where I'm going now is this actually comes apart. This is two pieces right here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to basically cut my table in half. I'm going to make it, it'll cut 5 this way, and then it'll do 10, back and forth. Well, I think I've got it set up 4x8 on my table, but I can do overhang, blah, blah, blah. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half and just run it on this section up here, slide this piece down a little bit, basically just have a 5x4 capability, and then I'm going to fix it where I can bolt it on if I want to add the other later. To be honest with you, I usually don't use much over a 2x2 area, so 5x4 should handle anything I want to do with that. So that's the two biggest projects I got going. The shop is an absolute disaster right at the moment. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up today. This is a table that I've been building. It's a strong hand table. So basically what I do, I got these pieces here that I built out of different things, and you want to hold something. It basically, got my hammer stored there. Basically it's designed to grab a hold right there, and you just tap it, and it's there. I mean, you can really set it, and then when you want to, you just side tap it to pop it loose and get it. And then I've got these here set up. They just go in the holes, slide rail clamps. You just set them down and you just tighten it down. Pretty good jig table. I got a bunch of 5/8 bolts cut, goes in the holes. What I've done, I laid this thing out with center hole, and then I went circle. Don't remember the exact measurements, but if I want to build a ring, I can put my little bolts in around and bend my steel around, and I can go out. It just gets bigger and bigger. And then I've done, like here, I laid out a straight section, and then I've got some sections here that go, straight across, angles, different, and then straight across this way. Just different layouts. Pretty awesome little table. 1-inch steel, old street plate piece. But